Alright guys, we're working on the Bronco, and today we laid the motor in. Well, depending on who you ask, most people say that this is a 351 Windsor going in here from a 209 6-cylinder. But it don't fit like it says they do, so we have to do some serious modifications. You can see the mount fits on one side but not the other. Motor is too far forward. If you see how much room we got, definitely not enough to put an alternator or air conditioner, all that stuff on it. So now we're gonna go and talk with the owner and see what he'd like to do. We'll let you know. Okay, we got a chance to take the Hemi Cooter out for a short run. We've got a few more tweaks to do to it, but this is what it looked like. All right. We're here on a Saturday doing some work. Actually, we did most of it yesterday. And we're getting ready for the new year. We took down the last wall. So now we can fit 3 cars in here and actually get some work done finally where we couldn't before. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We can't wait. The Roadrunner is ready to paint. I'm gonna start doing the trunk probably tomorrow, which is Sunday. Yes, I'm working on a Sunday because I want to get everybody done. And we'll go from there. So that's what's going on. Also, we picked this puppy up for like $50 on Marketplace. Replaced the glass. Put a light in it, and she's ready to go too. We'll give you an update after we paint the trunk tomorrow. You guys like and subscribe. We'll talk to you later.